Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Firefox font, step by step. Let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Take a moment to find the Firefox icon, usually on your desktop or taskbar. Click it once and wait for the Firefox window to appear so you are ready for the next step. Once Firefox is open, move your eyes to the top right corner of the window. Look for the menu button. It looks like three horizontal lines. Carefully click that three-line menu button. A drop-down panel will open with several options you can choose from. From here, find the option called Settings in that drop-down panel. Click on Settings and a new tab will open with many Firefox options. On the left side of this Settings tab, click on Accessibility so you are on the correct section for font controls. Now you are in the Accessibility section, look for the area labeled Fonts. Here you will see controls to choose your preferred font and font size. Click the font name to pick a different style, and use the size control to make text larger or smaller until it feels comfortable for you. Firefox saves these changes automatically as soon as you make them, so you do not need to look for a save button. Next up, if websites are using a strange font that does not match other browsers, we will adjust a different option. Still in the Settings tab, make sure you are on Accessibility again so you stay in the right place. This keeps all the font-related controls in one view, which makes it easier to check things later. With Accessibility open, look again under the Fonts section, and this time click the button labeled Advanced. A small window will pop up showing more detailed font settings for Firefox. This separate window is where Firefox decides when to use your fonts and when to use fonts from each website. In this advanced window, find the checkbox that says Allow pages to choose their own fonts, instead of your selections above. Make sure this box is checked, meaning it has a tick mark inside. When this is checked, websites can use their own special fonts, which often control icons and custom text, so pages usually look the way their designers intended. After confirming that checkbox, click the OK button at the bottom of the advanced window. The window will close, and you will return to the main Settings tab. Your change takes effect right away, so any new page you open will now let the website pick its own font automatically. Sometimes, though, you may want to do the opposite and force Firefox to use only your chosen font. From there, remember that this is helpful if a particular website font looks broken or very hard to read. This setting affects all sites, so you can always come back to the same place later and switch it back. If a specific website font is causing problems, we will adjust those advanced font settings again. Go back to Settings, then Accessibility, then down to the Fonts area so you are in the familiar place. Click Advanced once more to reopen that same font settings window. Inside the advanced window, look again for the line that says Allow pages to choose their own fonts, instead of your selections above. This time, click the checkbox to remove the tick so it becomes unchecked. With this unchecked, Firefox will ignore website font choices and will always use the font family and sizes you set earlier in the Fonts section. Once you have unchecked that option, click OK at the bottom of the advanced window. The window will close and return you to the main Settings tab again. This change is also applied immediately. You do not need to restart Firefox for it to work. After that, go back to the Website tab that looked wrong before. Reload the web page, usually by clicking the circular arrow near the address bar, or pressing the Reload button you see there. The page will now use your chosen Firefox fonts for its text, although some icons might appear as empty boxes or strange characters because those icons relied on the website fonts you just disabled. You have now adjusted Firefox font settings and also learned how to let sites use their own fonts or force your own choice. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.